Melastoma malabatricum as antidiabetic agent by Amarasam Tunkafa Baber. How diabetes occur? For all living creature, sugar is a necessary source of energy. Sugar is made when you eat carbohydrate. The body will turn all carbohydrate into sugar. There are three types of simple sugar: monosaccharide, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. One example of monosaccharide is glucose. When it's created through the breakdown of carbohydrate, glucose will enter the bloodstream and serve as an energy source. More insulin is naturally produced by the body in response to high blood glucose level. The amount of this hormone can have a negative impact on how well the body performs. If the body's insulin levels are not proper levels, diabetes may develop.
Problem statement in our research. In Malaysia, diabetes is the most prevalent illness. Statistics shows that 18.3 of Malaysian nationals are diabetic. When there is glucose in the urine, the condition is called diabetes. This is brought on by the body not digesting circulatory glucose because to insufficient insulin production and insulin malfunction or both. The urine will dispose of a large amount of glucose. Diabetes can be dangerous and lead to many other ailments. According to studies, Malaysia had the highest percentage of diabetic patients as of the year 2019, and by the year 2025, that figure is expected to grow significantly.
Melastoma as antidiabetic. Diabetes is caused by unhealthy lifestyle choices such as not getting enough regular physical activity and consuming unhealthy food. We are proving claims made by elderly Malay people that melastoma malabatricum can regulate blood sugar levels. We believe that this technology will be useful to a lot of them. Therefore, we want to test whether claims that made by them are true.
This is some of the apparatus and materials that we use during our experiment.
Design of the study. For the first step, we will collect the melastoma malabatricum shoots, and after that, the shoots were washed, dry, and grind. Some of them were soaked in methanol, and some of them were soaked in water. Then, the sample were evaporated, and the water test went through freeze-dry process. And for the last step, inhibitor tests were done. Result of the research. This is the result of our test. Both of them undergo same method of analysis, which is amylase inhibitory activity and glucoside inhibitory activity. Conclusion and suggestion.
We can conclude from this research that melastoma malabatricum shoots are effective at regulating the quantity of sugar in our bodies. The results from methanol extraction and water extraction demonstrate that melastoma malabatricum shoots can inhibit the activity of polysaccharide and oligosaccharide enzymes, in contrast to alpha amylase, which has a moderate effect and high inhibitory activity in the body. Alpha-glucosidase exhibits the significant inhibitory activity in our bodies while also delaying the digestion of glucose according to both data. Additionally, this plant aids in lowering harmful hazards for diabetic patients. Research has validated the effectiveness of the traditional Malay advice to use melastoma malabatricum to lower blood sugar levels.
We would strongly advise that research be carried out to develop new medication that diabetic with diabetes mellitus can use to manage their blood sugar levels, either as an alternative to synthetic insulin or as a food-based emergency medication. There are benefits for everyone from this effort. This research will also make it possible for brand new business owner to invest in it for further investigation.